The police almost pulled me over.
I definitely thought you were getting pulled over. Totally late for the wedding.
We're totally late for the wedding. We're late as always. There's a truck on fire on the freeway. We weren't moving. The police almost pulled me over.
Definitely thought you were getting pulled over.
So it's been like a hot mess.
So we have a plan how to sneak in.
So if it's outdoors, because we don't know, right? We're just going to slowly tiptoe to where everyone's seated.
Right.
If it's indoors,
we're not doing it.
And it's like through a door, I'm not making an entrance. I'm watching through the window if there is one.
Yeah, so I guess
we can do it. Hands in. 1, 2, 3, the freeze, yeah! Grandma's the best person at this wedding. If you see her dance, she's the best. Right now.
Welcome back. I know we haven't posted in a while, but we're, at this wedding that we were late to.
We were late, okay? And I feel like God awful about it, but my friend from my training class, she looks gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Like her little dance was so cute.
It was very cute.
I can't believe she got her husband to do all that.
But,
good job, Bernie.
Good job, Bernie. Here's a few clips of what we've been up to, in Indy. Check them out. All right, Jet Setters, welcome back. It is our first day out of Indy.
Okay, we have gone through security already. We got here way too early.
We were here so early. We just didn't know, if there was going to be traffic.
And there's going to be security people, a lot of people on security.
But no, it was
the easiest thing ever.
It was amazing.
So we have 30 minutes just to kill. So we're going to go to the gate and just I don't know, chill with these passengers.
That's too early.
They look like they're dressed for Florida.
Yeah. All right, good morning, Jet Setters.
Good morning.
As you can tell, I am not awake right now.
We had the hardest time sleeping last night. I don't know if we were anxious to work.
Or it's a 3-hour difference.
Yeah, it was really a struggle last night. We went and we got to Waffle House. Yes. It was really good because we don't have that in Las Vegas. And we came back after we trucked through the snow, right? We trucked all the way through the snow, and hopefully you've seen it on Instagram. And then after we froze our butts off,
legit,
we got back to the room and we just tried to sleep, but it was so cold in the room, okay? It was really, okay, Big B always has the air down so low, and I'm always like, it's so cold in this house, okay? It's so cold. Okay? No. She turned to me and she said, it's so cold.
It was so cold.
Okay? So I put the heat on, needless to say. That was good for a good 2 hours until we
it got too hot.
Died. I was up and down every hour. I don't know how I'm gonna make it through today. I don't know how you are.
I don't think I am. Legitly. Oh my god, I'm gonna need so many coffees, so many Cokes. And I quit drinking Coke for a while, but now
And I've been doing really good, but who knows? Because I need caffeine. I didn't drink a coffee this morning. I have coffee every morning.
So we're playing with Kessee and Amber today.
Cute little girl.
So it's a Vegas crew, indie crew, if you know what I mean.
We're all from Vegas coming to Indy, if you don't know.
Yes, if you don't know who Kessee and Amber are, check these clips out. All right, guys, we are with our crew members. Here they are, these two lovelies. They're going to be in Indy with us. Are you guys excited for Indy?
Indy, so excited.
Okay, and this is the Kobaebeefboo right here.
Hi.
And that's Kessee over there. He has his first book out. Go check it out.
ThePureSaga.com.
There you go.
ThePureSaga.com, all one word.
Okay. Our crew member today. Freaking indie people. I cannot. I just can't. Freaking love it. A little bit. What is this white stuff?
I don't know.
Hey guys. Okay.
I've been here since 6 a.m.
You have no idea what's going on in Indy right now.
Yesterday we got an email from our base supervisor saying there's going to be a winter storm.
We're
And
like,
we were
oh, no big deal.
winter storm, right? We showed up to work, all of this craziness is happening. And look at this. We're going to show you. It's not going to anytime soon. Storm at its finest.
I mean, what is this? It is a whiteout here.
And it just will not stop. It's not letting up. Like, how the planes are taxiing, I have no idea.
Yes, we left Vegas for this.
Struggle of a day.
We for sure left Vegas for this, so. Now we're just, enduring it.
Yeah, and it's not like we can go anywhere because we're like stuck here because who's gonna drive in that?
There's planes that have been stuck on the tarmac for 3 hours.
We were stuck on the tarmac for an hour and a half.
Southwest tried to get out, now they're stuck on the tarmac. So now we are just...
Oh, it's just coming down fast.
It's ridiculous.
It like slows up for a second and then it's like bam.
We're here.
Yeah.
So here it is one more time for you. Boom. What? There it is.
You can see the planes barely.
Vegas to Indy, baby. Vegas to Indy. Yeah, baby. Here's Indy.